Today we're going to make a leek and cheddar pie. I would have said leek and cheese, but the cameraman wants to go more upmarket. So this is what you need. Extra mature cheddar, and we're using 250 gram, yeah. Just some plain flour for dusting your base. Some ground black pepper, about a good ounce of butter. This is salted butter, just any butter that you really like. This is 500 grams of leeks, so we're going to cut them. They're already pre-packed, but we're going to cut them up and make sure we get all the muck out and everything and all that. And we've just got some prepared short crust pastry roll sheet, this is, so we're going to use that. So what we're going to do is cut the leeks up and prepare them, and then we'll get back to you. Okay? We're preparing the leeks, even though these are prepared. We're just going to cut them down the middle, because you get a lot of the grit in the thing as well. And then I'm going to cut them to about 1 centimetre all the way along. And then we'll put them in. But just make sure you cut it and spread it so that any dirt that's in it, you'll see it and get it out when you wash them. Because you see, there's a bit there, can you see? Get it out. Okay? So we'll do this and then we'll get back to you. Right, we've cut them all up and we're just giving them a right good wash through now. And then when we've done that, I'm just going to dry them out. Well, not dry them out, just shake the water off. And then we'll get going. Okay, so we'll get back to you. Measured out in butter, and it's just a tiny bit over an ounce. And we're just going to bob it in there and pop the leeks in. And then we're going to cook them for about 10 minutes. And until they go golden, they're going to blend in with the butter. As well, we're going to put some ground black pepper in now as well. We're just going to do that, and then we'll set them off. Any big pieces of leek, cut them up. You know what we like with scissors, don't you, snipping them?
Scissors will be out probably.
Pop some pepper in, and then get them. Okay.
I've never known anyone else use scissors quite so much in cooking.
Well, there's a big piece there, and I'm just going to do it again.
Here we go.
There's the big piece.
What did I say?
I'm just going to break it up. Okay. So we'll do this for about 10 minutes, and we'll get back to you. When they go golden, that's about when they're right. Okay. Your leeks are cooking, you want to make sure you're stirring them up every couple of minutes or so. But you can start greasing your pie dish. Now this is an 8-inch one, isn't it?
It is.
So we're going to do that.
You measured it before.
We did measure it, yes. And what we're going to do then is roll out your pastry. Obviously we've had this out of the fridge for a bit so that it's soft. You don't want to try and get it when it's rock hard because it will break up. So I'm going to set this and get it ready. And if you've had it out long enough, it'll be soft like that. What we're going to do is cut it into 1/3 off there, so you've got 2/3 to roll your base with, and about 1/3 to do your topping. So I'll just get this on the flour on the board, and then I'll get back to you. Okay? To pastry, and then measure it like that, so you know it's going to fit on the bottom. Then we're going to put that in, and then the leeks are still cooking. If you get them a bit dry, just add a little more dob of butter, but ideally you should have enough. Okay? So we're just going to put that on there, and then we'll come back to you. Okay. About 25 minutes, and we put a little bit more butter in, and they are going golden. I think the first time I did it was in the frying pan, which is an easier way to do it, but they are all over the place. You don't want the fat splashing. But when you get them like caramelised, like goldeny, going golden, that's when they're ready. What we're going to do then is tip them in a pie dish. Then we're going to put a grated cheese on top. We have added a bit more black pepper, which we're going to do now. So what we'll do is just get the cheese evenly on the top as well, and then we'll get back to you. Cheese on.
That's a technical term, by the way.
It is a technical term. Now what we're going to do as well is just give another little bit of black pepper on it. So a few good turns of that because we like it. And then we're going to put 3 dessert spoons of water in it. Then I'm going to put a top on and trim round it. So we'll get back to you when we've done that. Then it's going to go in the oven. Before we trim round it, let's just get a fork on and do it, because we're rushing, aren't we? Because we've got to
We
pick the
are.
kids up in a bit. Just turn it round, yeah, get your fork all the way around so that it's together, and then we'll trim round it, and we'll score it, and we'll paste some milk with a pastry brush on top, and then it will go in your oven at 180 degrees, see, which is, ours is a fan assisted, so it's about 25-30 minutes then till it goes golden on the top. So we'll do that, and we'll just score it. Then I'll get some milk in a dish. I'll just get back to you. Skimmed milk, that's what we use because we don't like the full fat one, and just brush over its surface all the way across, and then we're going to put it in your oven on a middle shelf. Okay, we're going to do that now. Have a look. Use oven gloves, don't be like me. I've done this for years. I didn't use oven gloves. Pop it in, and then we'll come back to you in about 25-30 minutes when it's golden on top. Okay? Right, we've had it on about 25 minutes, and now we've got it out. And that is pretty much it. And if you're cutting into it, use plastic, not metal, so you don't scratch the bottom. Okay?